Boa tarde, amigos, amigas, bem-vindo. Welcome back to the channel. This is Larry coming to you from Rio de Janeiro. Today we have a super important and serious topic to discuss, and that is the 5 top reasons that you should have life insurance. Okay, let's go. Okay, reason number 1. Life insurance takes care of the short-term family needs. Okay, so if you pass away prematurely, whether you're young or old, your spouse, partner, or family may not be able to pay the rent, the mortgage. What about all those bills, all those monthly expenses that you've piled up over the years? That could average between $5,000-10,000 per month. And so that is one specific need right there. Another one is that at that time, if you lose somebody, of course there's going to be a lot of very difficult emotional stress, and it's the time where people are not very organized or well equipped to actually deal with the financial situations or implications that happen if they lose a partner or a parent or a sibling, God forbid. Now, you got to think about, would you like to leave your credit card debt, your car loans, and all that kind of stuff for somebody else to have to pay for? Of course not. Number 2, you have your long-term family needs. Now, what does that mean? Basically, your family, your loved ones, will really feel the impact of your loss well into the future. Of course, emotionally and mentally is going to be very difficult, but there's also the financial implications. So sometimes family members must make major changes that create additional stress, expenses, such as a non-working spouse returning to the workforce if need be, and maybe you have to pay for daycare as well. Life insurance proceeds can help cover all of those costs and create, of course, a much less stress with this whole situation. Now, if you have children, life insurance can help provide stability and normalcy in their lives. For example, remaining in their school district, remaining with their friends, participating in sports, continuing to have the ability to go to college or university to pursue their goals. All right. Now, number 3 reason to have life insurance: protection for your business. For business owners, life insurance can help your business keep its lights on, or keep it business continuance. Okay, so you can keep paying the employees, the suppliers can all be satisfied in the event that you pass away unexpectedly. There are also ways that life insurance can benefit business owners during their lifetime as well. That's a different topic, okay, but we will do a video about that soon. Number 4, life insurance may not be as expensive as you are predicting or your assumption is. Let's address that first, because it seems to be a real obstacle for many people. And so certainly, while the cost of life insurance coverage depends a lot about your age, your gender, your overall health, and the type of policy, it typically costs far less than most people think. In fact, for healthy people below the age of 40, a $500,000 or 1 million reais, a 20-year term policy, can cost less than 100 reais per month. For men, and perhaps a little bit less, 75 reais per month for a 35 to 40-year-old female. Women under age 30, it's very, very, very cheap. And also depends on whether you smoke or do not smoke. So there's a difference in the premiums for those characteristics as well. So naturally, as you age or as you get older, buying life insurance becomes more expensive because your health becomes a little bit more I shouldn't say that. Your health declines typically over your lifetime, and the odds of you dying sooner increases. So of course your rate will be a little bit higher, but what I recommend for everybody that I talk to is to get the life insurance at the youngest age possible. I know you may not be married, you may not have children first, but that's no excuse. It's a small amount of money when you're young and healthy, and you can have that for the rest of your life, because you may get married, you may have kids, you may own a business, and who knows what's going to happen. We never predict our own our own death, and sorry to be talking in these manner, but it's true. If I predicted I was going to die today in a car accident, I would not go drive around. So things do happen, unfortunately. So when you're young and healthy, save yourself from paying a high premium when you're a little bit older. So the fifth reason, very, very, very important, is this can be an additional source of income or funds. Okay? Now, not all life insurance is the same. Well, term life insurance is just that, a temporary policy that lasts for a specific time period and then ends. The second type of life insurance that people can invest in is permanent life insurance, and that also accumulates some savings, tax deferred savings inside the policy, so you can actually get a little bit of value from that life insurance as well. So each policy is very different. You can even take policy loans against the value of the life insurance policy. So there's a lot of different interesting types of policies which are customizable for every situation. There is, I'll talk about one more reason. So this will be kind of like the sixth reason to acquire life insurance. See? Life insurance can help you leave a legacy. Okay, so when you invest in life insurance, you choose at least one beneficiary. Okay, the people or entities that would receive a benefit from your policy. In addition to naming, say, a family member, a business partner, or some other type of beneficiary, some people choose to leave the life insurance proceeds to a church, a favored charity, a non-profit organization that helps people, and just any kind of cause that supports that they really care about. So in some cases, life insurance can enable you to give a lot of money to it once you pass away, more than you might have been able to donate when you're alive, because you don't have these big lump sums that you can give to your church. Maybe you can give on a monthly basis, and that's fantastic. But after you pass away, you can really put a lot of money into a charity or a church or a cause that you really believe in. Okay, so thank you for joining me today. And if you want to learn more about life insurance, a customized solution for you, please tap down in the description, open an account with me, or just send me an email, and I can get in touch with you very quickly and discuss this type of situation with you. Okay, so thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you soon.